Okay, we're going to talk about geometric means and their application in right triangles. Similar right triangles, actually, in section 8.1 here. So the geometric mean between two numbers is the positive square root of their extremes, okay, and of the product of their extremes. Okay, so a good example here. 4/6 equals 6/9. This proportion is true. Okay, our cross products are equal, but if we find the cross product of our extremes, 4 times 9 is 36, and the positive square root of 36 is 6. Okay, so we say that 6 is the geometric mean between 4 and 9. Okay, something to keep in mind is the geometric mean, geometric mean between two numbers will appear twice in a proportion. Okay, once in the numerator and once in the denominator. And it doesn't matter if left or right, which is numerator, which is denominator, as long as they are diagonal from each other. Okay, so an example here, find the geometric mean between 8 and 10 here. Okay, what I like to do, if we are trying to find the geometric mean, that means we don't know what it is. So we need a variable to be our geometric mean. Okay, as long as they're diagonal from each other. Okay, you can also set it up as this way. Okay, but then these other two spots, you're going to fill in the two numbers that we're trying to find the geometric mean between. Okay, now cross multiply. All right, both of these, we get x squared equals 80. All right, and then the square root of 80 is 4 square roots of 5. Okay, so sometimes they're nice, and they're nice whole numbers, okay? Sometimes we're going to have to leave them as a radical because they're not as nice, not as even, okay? So try examples 2 and 3 on your own. And then go ahead and check your work in the completed notes, but I am going to do example 4 here, okay, because 4 and 5 are a little different than the first 3. 4 and 5, we are given the geometric mean. So here it says 10 is the geometric mean, which means that 10 is what appears twice in our proportion, diagonal. The geometric mean is diagonal from, they're diagonal from one another, okay? And between 5 and what number? So we're trying to find that second number, so we make that a variable. Cross multiply. 5x equals 100. So our second number is 20, okay? Which means that 10 is the geometric mean between 5 and 20. Okay? So then try number 5 on your own and check your work in the completed notes.